Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable mouse pointer trails on your Windows 11. So as you can see guys, I have already enabled this mouse pointer trails in my PC. As you can see, if you want to enable it guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. First you need to open your Windows settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. With this help of shortcut key guys, you can easily able to open the settings. In the settings, in the left panel you can get the option Bluetooth and devices. Just click on it, and in the right panel scroll down here you can get the option mouse. Just click and open it, and scroll down here you can get the option additional mouse settings. Just click on it, okay, and open pointer option. After this guys, here you can get the option display pointer trails. If you want to enable it guys, just you need to check this box. If you want to disable it guys, just you need to uncheck this box. That's it. I want to enable this guys, just I am checking this box and click on apply and click on okay. That's it. So as you can see guys, the mouse pointer trails was showing in my PC. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.